How to copy an Instagram post link on mobile. Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are providing you with a very simple step-by-step guide for that. So let's get started. We open up Instagram first of all. So we start by opening up Instagram, and once we have opened it up, we can just go over and find the particular post that we would like to copy the link from and share. So find it up and you can tap on this airplane icon, tap on it. And once we tap on it, we can easily find a section called copy link. You can just go ahead and tap on it in order to copy the link. You may just go ahead and do so. You can either do that on other people's post or you can do that on your own post as well. You can tap on your profile for that if it's on your own post and find that particular post. Once you find it up, you can look out for the purple plane icon once again and tap on it. And basically look out for the copy link option from here. And once it is copied, you can just go over and share it with any other social media available. We have a bunch of medias available. You can just head over to one of the chat, for example, Telegram, and you can just go over and paste it onto one of the chat and send it up. And that's it. So that is how we basically do it. You can follow this process to share up or copy the link from Instagram and share it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.